Got him. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Here we go. It's not a keeper.
Yeah, keeper. Yeah.
Looks like
Another keeper.
Yup. Oh, I got. Oh my gosh, dude. Yup. Oh my gosh, dude. Pretty big one. Seems like it. Oh, that's a runner.
It's not fit that good. Pretty hard to grip him right now, but then. So I suspended it.
Oh, he came and got it?
Yeah. Oh, snap one time. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Dude, that's a keeper for sure, dude.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
That's a keeper. 2 back to back. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck, Michael? This is the one that Michael just hit right now. Yeah? Oh, they're hella striking it. Oh, I go. Yep. Oh. Triple threat. Oh. Yo. Dude, they're hella hitting you, dude. So what came here for? Keeper size easily. Seems like the aqueduct is hitting right now. Right there. So look at where this striper hit it at. Right there, right underneath the billy. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh, dude, that was funny. That was funny. This is, if anything, 13-inch. Good size bass. I'm probably gonna keep it. Have some nice color on him too. Ooh, like it a little. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Striper. 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 Ooh, yo, D-lo. Ooh, yeah. Congo, yeah. Congo, huh? Yeah, these striper.
First cast too.
First cast. First cast, y'all. Miss a bite. Oh, yep. Yep, there you go. There we go. Yo, got him. Got him. Pull it out. Yep. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, I got it. Oh, yep. This is a small one. Oh no. I think it's a keeper size. Yep. Right here, yo. Right here. Ooh. Right there.
That's a 20, bro.
That's a 20-inch right there. Woo. Yeah, right. Right, stop, set the hook. Oh my God, we got it. Set the hook. Set the hook. It's big. Oh, keeper. Yep.
Yeah, it's 20 inch.
Bird keeper.
It's like 21. I don't know.
It's 21 inch. Big fish. Big fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, yo, another one. Whoa, what the heck? Hey, oh, there might be a school right here. What the heck? Yo, I think this is another keeper. Oh, right there. Look at where I got him at. Right there. All 3 hooks. There is no way this guy's gonna get away. Set it, set it, set it. Oh my God, yup. Same fishing pole. The same fishing rod.
I caught my limit, so now I'm just
Ooh, got it, got it, got it.
Oh, that's it. That's it.
Oh my gosh, dude, I think that's it. Oh my gosh, dude. Ooh, yep. Got it, yo. Yo, I got it. Yep. See, I knew it.
Yep, let's get it.
Oh, it's already recording. Get it, brother. Yo. Keeper. Another keeper.
Let's go check it out, guys.
Right there, guys. Oh, got it. Oh, yo. Damn. Oh, dude, that's crazy, yo. That's my brother. This is brother food right here. He just threw his lure. He just threw his bait out 3 times in a row, and it hit back to back. Crazy, yo. Crazy.
Yep, looks like
18 inch.
Let's hope. Let's hope.
Yep. Looks like, yeah, maybe 18 inch.
Let's hope.
Bait on this spot. Yo. That's a hit right there. Striper for sure. Ooh, there you go. Feels pretty heavy too. Ooh. What are the chances, guys? Ooh, this one's heavy. This one's heavy. Oh. Might be keeper. Ooh. I just hit this one right now. Feels super heavy. Right there on the gill. Take a look. Yeah, the yellow, it looks like it's biting.
Third, second?
Yeah, the one in the middle, yeah.
Second?
It looks like it. It's pretty light though when you set the hook.
Yeah, cái xe hơi thin, like sheet, smooth.
Yeah, ooh, yup. Yup.
Yep.
Get it! Oh, yup. Get it. Oh, it came off one.
Keep reeling it.
Keep reeling. I'm pretty sure you got it, dude.
I got it.
Oh, I got off. Oh, okay. Oh, another one. What the heck? Ooh. Yup. Hey, this one might be another keeper, y'all. What the heck? Woo! Oh, never mind. It's a bass. It's a bass. But it's a keeper bass, I think. Look at that football. Woo! This is a football. This guy is a football. Take a look, y'all. This guy's a football. I don't know what the hell he been eating, but this guy is a fatty. Come on, come get it. It looks like it's loose. Okay, that's too much. Oh, right here. Oh, dude, what the hell? I just threw it. Yeah.
That's probably the one that bit me.
Oh,
there it is.
Oh. Dude, I just threw this one.
Yeah.
There you go. This one looks like maybe 18 inch. I just threw my fishing rod out there.
I get that 19.
Yep. And it came up and got it real quick. Oh my gosh, dude. This one hit so hard. Ooh. What the heck, dude? This one hit so hard. What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Man, look at where this guy hit it at. I got him right there on the eyeball. There's no way this guy was gonna get away. Oh yeah! Did we get it? Ooh, that's a fighter, huh? Oh. Tell everybody how you feel right now.
You already know, man.
Oh, yep, another keeper.
Woo, got my ass on.
Another keeper, guys. Right here. Fifth one. This one looks like maybe 21 inch.
Yeah, but they're 19
to,
and a half.
yeah.
Oh, got him, bro.
Oh, I think I got it.
No, yep, you
Yo,
do.
I got it. Oh my god. There you go. Alright, so 20 minutes after our last catch, got a hit. It feels pretty heavy. Oh yeah, pretty sure.
Should be a keeper.
Should be a keeper.
Oh yeah, that line's crossed. This rod right here. Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
what the hell?
This one looks like 18, 19.
Yeah,
Yeah, maybe.
No, actually, I think it's 20 inch, dude. If you guys made it this far on this video, I just want to let you guys know that all these videos that I'm doing it for you guys. I just want to show you guys some of my spot that I stay at and what I use and how we catch them. So if you made it this far, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button.